6 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2x plus 1, right? Here our target is to get value of x. Okay, so let's start. 6 to the power x. If we divide both sides by 2 to the power 2x plus 9 to the power x over 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 2x plus 1 over 2 to the power 2x. Fine. Now 6 over 2 square to the power x, right, plus 9 over 2 square to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2x plus 1 into this as 2 to the power minus 2x, right? Now 6 over 2 square, 4 to the power x plus 9 as 3 square over 2 square to the power x is equal to, this and this get cancelled out. So we have remained 2, right? Now 3 by 2 to the power x plus 3 by 2 to the power 2x, right, is equal to 2, because a to the power m to the power n is equal to, let y is equal to 3 by 2 to the power x, right? So this equation will change as y plus y square is equal to 2. If we rearrange the equation, y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, right? Standard quadratic form of equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine. So y will be equal to 2a, right? So y is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 2 over 2 into 1, right? So y is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus minus plus 8 over 2, right? So y is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 over 2, right? So y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 over 2. If we take positive sign, right, is equal to 1. Fine. Y is equal to, if we take minus sign, so minus 1 minus 3 over 2 is equal to minus 2. Right? Now since y is equal to 3 by 2 to the power x, h we have assumed, right, is greater than 0, right? 0. H 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Okay. The exponential of x, right? The exponential is positive for, I am extremely sorry, here for all real values of x, right? So we discard y is equal to minus 2, right? And we will accept y is equal to 1, right? So we will accept this value and this will be discard, right? Now y, as we have assumed, is equal to 3 by 2 to the power x. So y is equal to 1, right? Is equal to 3 by 2 to the power x. Okay. So 1 can be written as 3 by 2 to the power 0 is equal to 3 by 2 to the power x, right? So x will be equal to 0, right? If we check 2x plus 1, right? So 6x is equal to 0 plus 9 to the power 0 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 0 plus 1, right? So 1 plus 1, here 2 to the power 1, right? So 2 is equal to 2.